Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Denis. Welcome back to this video. In the past video, I have reviewed Matrixport. The last video was sponsored and this video was not. I just kind of thought like I am responsible to help you guys know how to withdraw your coins from the exchange. So let's get straight into it, shall we? So to withdraw your Matrixport coins or cryptocurrency, you guys can go ahead and click into me. Make sure you're logged in and then go ahead into wallet. So in this case, you guys can go ahead and click into the coins that you want to withdraw from, which is USDC in my case. So obviously we're going to have to go for withdraw, and then right here it says Google Auth phone identity verification and fund password. So right now I haven't set up Google Auth phone or fund password. We're going to do it together so you guys can get a clearer picture of that one. So the first step, we're going for Google Auth. So if you guys don't already have that app, definitely go ahead and download first and then come back to this video. So set, next, copy your key and then open up Google Auth. So right here in Google Auth, you guys can go ahead and click a plus sign, enter a setup key. So the account, you guys can go ahead and name any account that you want. So in this part, I'll just go ahead and paste the key and add it in. So after setting up that one, you guys can go ahead and click send a verification code to your email and send an identification code into your Google Auth. Alright, so here we go. We typed it in and go ahead and enable invalid Google Auth. What? So here we go. We copied the Google Auth and also the code in our email. Authentication successful. Got it? And let's just go ahead and click withdraw. Right now we're going to do fund password. And once you got your fund password down, you guys can go ahead and go back to Google Auth and then copy the code again and then paste the code again. So right now it says set the fund password successfully. So this is where you can start withdrawing your crypto coins out of the exchange into another exchange. But in my case, I'll be transferring all my USDC into Huobi and then liquidate it on the platform itself, as there is P2P transaction as well. So obviously I want to withdraw it into Huobi. I'm going to go into USDC and deposit. Go ahead and copy the address. And right now we're just going to have to type in the fund password and last 6 characters of your ID. So the ID that they talked about is actually the last 6 digits of your IC number. So if people were to hack into your account, touch wood, then people are still not going to be able to withdraw your coins. So in terms of safety, it is quite safe in my opinion. So right now we're going to go ahead and wait for the code again into our email and then recopy the authenticator from our Google Authenticator itself. Then paste it. And what's left to do right now is to wait for the code from the email again. So I've done it. You guys can go ahead and see on my screen, it is withdrawal result successful and it is pending right now. So we're gonna go ahead and click done, and then I'll check back in with you guys when I receive the USDC in my Huobi accounts. Hello everyone, I almost had a heart attack because I've been waiting for this withdrawal for like 5 to 10 minutes. Normally for USDC withdrawal, it does not take that long. Who knows, maybe today's traffic is a little bit more jammed like KL. That's why I had to wait a little bit longer. But here you go, the date 28th of September at 10:47. Transaction status completed. So there you go. This is how you can withdraw from Matrixport's exchange. So I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If you do, definitely help me smash the like button, and I hope I did not waste too much of your time. Go ahead right now, run along now kids, and you guys can go ahead and enjoy your weekend. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Run along now kids. What was I even thinking?